Look at you. Tired, broken, questioning everything. Life hit you hard, didn't it? Betrayed by the ones you trusted, knocked down by circumstances you didn't see coming. It's like the world tossed you aside, left you for dead, and moved on without a second glance. Let me tell you something, though. Your narrative doesn't finish here. No, this is only the start. Even though the world attempted to bury you, what did they fail to see? You are planted, not buried. In the midst of your suffering, you're currently getting ready for something bigger. You are a seed that is poised to blossom into something that no one can stop. The people who questioned you and hurt you are looking at you. They're observing, I see. Do you have any idea what they're hoping for? That you remain down. They want the weight of it all to swallow you and cause you to crumble. The problem is that they didn't fully appreciate you. They failed to perceive your inner power and unquenchable fire. Feel it? That flash in the back? You have that power. That's what you can do. And it has always been there. You see, they were scared of what you may become, so they tried to break you. They were frightened when they saw your might and radiance. They attempted to put an end to it. But here you are, still living, still standing, and still battling, whether you know it or not. You are indeed scarred. However, those scars, they are evidence that you survived, not that you have lost. They serve as reminders of all that you have conquered and are your battle scars. Don them with honor, because all of the hardships, tears, and scars are a necessary part of the process. And I can assure you that although the process is unpleasant, it is worthwhile. Pressure is necessary to obtain diamonds, and struggle is necessary to acquire strength. You're in the crucible right now, being shaped into something more resilient and impenetrable. And you will be better than the same when you come out of this. More difficult to shatter, unable to be defeated. Furthermore, don't assume that this is merely a matter of survival. The at least is survival. Your purpose is to prosper, to reconstruct what they attempted to destroy in a larger, more powerful, and superior form. Every setback, betrayal, and failure serves as fuel. Fuel for your return. And trust me, the comeback is always stronger than the setback. Know that you are being rebuilt with a purpose, regardless of whether you have trust in God, yourself, or a higher power. This is a purposeful metamorphosis that will make you unstoppable, not just a chance recovery. The broken ones are the ones that abandoned you and attempted to bring you down, because they recognized in you what they could never be. They attempted to destroy you. However, they will now have to see you get up and go. They will see your transformation into something they cannot even understand or touch. This goes beyond simply disproving them. This is about proving your authenticity, demonstrating your greater strength than you ever thought possible, demonstrating that you are capable of striking back harder no matter how hard life throws you. You will also ascend higher than you have ever risen before. Don't hurry the procedure, though. Greatness is not created in a day, and a masterpiece is not painted overnight. Go slowly. You're recreating yourself into something unstoppable, piece by piece, step by step. And the world will be forced to pay attention when you're ready, when you're towering and unflinching. What will it be then? Will you remain down and allow them to win? Or will you emerge more powerful and strong than before? You have an option. Take a big breath, get yourself together, and start. Now is your moment. It's your turn, your return. And every scar, every bit of suffering, every tear will have been worthwhile when it's all over. When you're standing there, rebuilt and unstoppable. Because this is more than just a resurgence. This is your big break. And you can't be stopped by anything at all.